Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Come on, let's go see the animals again. You wanna go with Nene?
We'll just see.
Well, it don't matter, you'll be on.
Krista, where are we?
Look, Carissa.
Krista, where are we? Rosie. Rosie Posey.
You see him? You see him?
Krista, you can pet him.
Put your hand out.
Pet it, Krista.
Now that's it. Come on, girls.
Hey, Krista, what does that feel like? Soft. I know. What do you see? The little tiny baby ones. Hi. Look at it. Look at that little tiny one. Oh my goodness.
Baby one over there.
Hi. Look. What, honey? Look. Do you see the baby one? Wow. They're so little. Oh, there's 3. Or no, there's 2.
All right, y'all want to go around down and see the fishes?